my god, I just got all the swatches from my arm on my boob. Wow. Great. I look like a Krispy Kreme donut or like a glazed chicken, and I love it. Hi guys! Oh my goodness, it's been a while since I last filmed. Things have just been crazy. A little life update. My boyfriend Kai and I actually just got our first place about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks ago now, so we finally moved everything in. We're pretty much settled for the most part, but I finally had a second to just put up the camera and, you know, film a video for you guys. We did do like a little vlog of us moving in, so that should be up soon as well. Also, if you don't know, I'm currently working for the new Morphe store in Brea, which I couldn't be any more thankful for. Morphe is actually one of the first brands that sent me PR packages, so I've always loved them. I have amazing coworkers that seriously inspire me every single day, and yeah, I love what I'm doing. I've been really busy with that, and then moving in, dance of course, so yeah, I finally had a second to do a video, but today's video is real exciting. I received this today, and this is the Morphe X Bretman Rock collab. It's called Babe in Paradise. Really quick before I start, I think I'm just really excited for this collab, most especially because Bretman Rock is from the islands. I think for any Polynesian or Pacific Islander, it's really humbling to see how far he's come, and I just love that he stays true to himself and, you know, his roots, his culture, and he kind of incorporated that a lot within this collab. And yeah, I think that's just what I'm most excited for. Like, I love highlighters, like, don't get me wrong, but I think that's what I'm most excited for, is just how true he stayed to himself and his culture and where he's from. So yeah, just wanted to put that out there really quick. Okay, so let me just start by saying his packaging is so cute. It has Bird of Paradise all over it, and it just looks really tropical. Honestly, it's total Bretman Rock. Like, he did such a good job with the packaging. Of course, the packaging matches a unicorn. It has that super tropical paradise theme going on to it, which I love. You also do get this little fan brush with it as well, and it says Morphe X Bretman, and it has like, the handle is wood, so it's really cute. It still kind of sticks with that tropical vibe. He also did say that he has a fan brush because this part kind of reminds him of like a palm tree, I would say. So when you open up the palette, there is a little message from him, which is super cute. And then of course you have all 6 of your highlighters right here, which don't mind, but I jumped into these two already. I just swatched them. I haven't tried anything on my face yet, but yeah, I'm really excited to try these out. I love the shades in it. I feel like it's super universal and will work for pretty much every skin tone. Yeah, so with that being said, let's go ahead and just jump into swatches and whatnot. So before I jump into the swatches, I just want to say that his shade names are hilarious. Especially if you're from the islands, you'll kind of be able to relate with them a little bit more, but they are hilarious. They're so funny. I was like dying the first time I saw them. So the first shade that we have right here is called Bebe Girl, which the name is so cute, but the shade is kind of like an iridescent pink. Next to that we have Vacation, which that shade name is so funny. That shade is kind of like a champagne color, I would say. So the next shade we have right here is called Mahu, which if you're from the islands, you'll know what that means. And honestly, out of all the shades, this one and this one, I was dying over the names. But anyways, this shade is probably my favorite in the palette. It's kind of like a gold. It's like a true gold, honestly. And I just feel like it would go with a lot of skin tones, but also when you think of like paradise, you think of like bronzy tones. And that one to me just like defines it. I don't know. That's my favorite for sure though. The next shade right here is called Get Laid, which that name is so cute. I'm telling you, these shade names, they just get to me. But like Bretman Rock was saying, once you use this shade, you're going to get laid. Get Laid is probably like the lightest shade in the palette. I would say it's kind of frosty looking. It's really pretty though. Next we have this shade right here in the middle. It's called Chihu, which the names are so funny. Sorry, don't mind me, but the names are hilarious. This shade is like a rose gold tone. I would say that this shade would look really pretty with blush. He was saying that a lot of his shades you can mix with like your bronzers or your blush, so I think this one would look really pretty like with a blush. The last shade is called Shady Bitch, which the name, don't even get me started, but I feel like this is a perfect bronzy tone. Like I was saying, I feel the palette's super universal. You can, you know, every skin tone would be able to use this in like some way, shape, or form, whether it's for your highlight or whether it's for, you know, bronzing your face, like mixing it with your bronzer. So yeah, I just feel that this palette's super universal. I love all the shades, I love the colors, I love the names once again, but yeah, so let's go ahead and try it out now. Okay, so I'm gonna use his little fan brush, and I've been dying to use this shade right here, Mahu, so I'm gonna try that first. Okay, here we go. Oh yes, it's so pretty. I for sure think this is my favorite shade in the palette. Yes. Oh my god. Morphe has stepped their game up. Also, I totally forgot to mention that this palette, the entire formula in it is brand new, like compared to their the Daisy Danger palette. So yeah, this is the newest formula and it's so nice. It's really creamy. Yes, I'm in love. I'm going highlighter crazy, but now I'm gonna go into Vaguation and I'm gonna put that right on top of it. I wanna try and use as many of the shades as I can for you guys, just so you can see what it looks like. So here's Vaguation on top of it. It's a little bit lighter, so that's why I wanted to put it on top. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Also, I don't usually use fan brushes, but I'm really liking this. Like, it fits really nice right here. And then he also said that he had it pinched right here, so it's thin enough to like highlight your nose. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that in a bit. You guys, look at this highlight. It's so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go into Get Laid right here, and I'm gonna use that to highlight my nose and then probably like my Cupid's bow with it. Yeah, do you guys see that highlight? Look at that nose highlight right now. Yes. Then I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow as well. And then I'm gonna highlight my chin. Oh my god, yes. I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead too. I'm loving this. I'm having way too much fun right now. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Bebe Girl on a Morphe E36 brush, just because it's a little bit smaller, and I'm gonna use this for my inner corners. Oh my god. Oh, like, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it has like this pink reflect to it. It's so pretty. This would be even a really pretty eyeshadow, honestly. I'm using the same brush and just taking a little bit of Get Laid to highlight my brow bone. Guys, I am glowing right now and I'm not even mad about it. Okay, so just because I want to use all the shades for you guys, I'm going to take a Morphe 527 and Shady Bitch, and I'm just going to use some. I have bronzer on already, so I'm just going to use some like on top of it, just to give me a really glowy look. It's really pretty. It's really subtle, like on top of bronzer, but I like it. Yeah, it just makes you look really glowy, which I love. Now I'm gonna take Chihu on a Morphe E4, which is my favorite blush brush. And I'm just gonna apply this to the apples of my cheeks, like right on top of where I already have blush. It is so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my god, you guys, I am glowing. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm not stopping here. I'm gonna take my Morphe M510 brush, which is one of my favorite highlighting brushes, and I'm gonna go in with Vacation, and I'm going to highlight my collarbone because I love that look. I love looking super dewy and just glowy. Yes, and the shoulder. Just hit the shoulder real quick, you know. Yep. So pretty. I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm done highlighting finally. So sorry, but I just wanted to use all the shades for you. I know I went a little bit crazy, but I'm not mad about it at all. So that was my little swatch slash review of the Babe in Paradise Morphe X Bretman palette, and let me just tell you guys, I am in love with this palette already. Like, that was my first time using it, but just, I love how universal it is. I love that all the shades in there you can use in some way, shape, or form, like I just showed you guys. I love the way that this looks. I look like a Krispy Kreme donut or like a glazed chicken, and I'm not mad about it at all. It's so glowy, it just looks so pretty. Yeah, I highly recommend this already. I'm gonna be using this a lot from now. I totally forgot to mention though that this is $29. You do get 28 grams of product, which that's actually a good amount, especially for that price. But another thing though is once it is sold out, it's like gone, which kind of sucks because I feel like I'm gonna be using this a lot and I don't want to run out of it. But yeah, so I honestly would just say get your hands on it if you can, like as soon as possible, as soon as it comes out. It does come out on Tuesday, March 13th in store and online, and then I believe Ulta, they're gonna start selling it like a week or two after it's released, like in Morphe stores. So honestly, if you can get your hands on one, I like highly recommend it. This palette's really nice, and you do get a brush with the palette for $29. Like, honestly, can't beat that, just saying. But yeah, so that's the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. I know I haven't done a video in a while, but now that I have my place, I feel like I'm gonna be able to do videos a lot more often, so I'm really excited about that. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.